2 years, love. 2 years down, many, many, many more to go. Chad. We started our hike and we're going up McAfee's Knob for our anniversary picnic. The ice cooler in my bag is right against my back. So good. Yes. Liz, are you a dog or a cow? Okay, that's enough. There's a rain cloud. This rainstorm's about to slam us, so we're moving on to the cave of dinner, the dinner cave. Why didn't I bring candles? Not bad, right?
Pretty good.
Crab remoulade and wine and chips and dip. And then we're gonna have some truffles for dessert.
Delicious.
Yay! Crab! Seriously, no more feet on the cutting board. Don't do that.
I love this hammock. It's so nice.
It's pretty nice. But we're just waiting for it to totally clear up. We're gonna go back out for sunset. We're hoping there's still sunset. Whoa, okay, well, we're gonna get out of here. The light outside is fading. The rain is kind of basically over. Turned out to be a all night long rainstorm. So we got stuck in the rain the whole way down. And it was horrible.
Yeah.
The end.
Did I ruin